do anything to Rise because all the armor in the world.
Gumbo.
Yes.
You need to make a YouTube series of like all the games we play with the like Skype chat recorded, but have it recorded from like someone spectating the game, so there's a 3-minute delay.
No!
So nothing anyone's saying makes any sense.
I like it.
So I just have to offset the audio and the video.
Why do we keep doing this? Lee, why are you going to get 1v4? I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be smart about this and just ward over here.
Who does that?
Me, I play too much Smite and I've learned not to do stupid things.
That's ridiculous.
That is ridiculous.
See, I have home guards and a bird. Combined, I am the speed bird.
You're the home bird.
I'm the home bird. I'm gonna home bird their face. Go home bird away. Home bird
Oh, Homebird!
away.
You sound
Homebird!
like some really stupid generic superhero.
I'm dead.
See, no.
Damn it, Homebird! GG.
I hate
GG.
homebirds.
I don't like Homebird at all.
Homebird is a douchebag.
Homebird is a dick.
Worst superhero in A. Oh, I just turned to a bird.
Homebird is an asshole.
Homebird is a complete and utter piece of garbage.
I'm crying.
We just got Ace because of Homebird.